Take one. All or nothing. Okay. Go. Yeah! Show him the lighting.
So here we have the balanced equation on what it takes to blow up the balloon with CO2 gas. You have the acetic acid, which is the vinegar, which is HC2H3O2. You combine that with baking soda, which is NaHCO3. When you combine these two, you get CO2, which is carbon dioxide, water, and NaC2H3O2, which is the gas that causes the balloon to expand and blow up. Now, to get a certain amount, in order to get your balloon to be a certain size and whatnot, you need the right amounts of your reactants to react and create that amount. So we want 300 milliliters of CO2 gas. So we need to do the stoichiometry, I guess that's what you could call it, or balance it, and you have to do the whole stoichiometry and whatnot, as you can see. And once you get all that, you can isolate all of your variables, cross them out until you get your answer of 1.3 grams of NaHCO3. But you need to take into consideration that vinegar is 5% acetic acid, and we need to take that into consideration. And the density of vinegar is 1.0 grams per milliliter. So you need to figure out how much vinegar is necessary and how much baking soda is necessary to get the balloon to fill up with 300 milliliters of CO2. When 1.13 grams of NaHCO3 combined with 15.9 milliliters of vinegar, you end up with 300 milliliters of CO2.
Okay, so for our project, we started off with expanding the balloon. That would cause the car to be pushed down the track and causing dominoes to hit the LED lighting and fall into the salt water. Well, we'll start off with the gas. So the gas was caused by 1.13 grams of baking soda and 15.9 milliliters of vinegar. So when we mix those together, that created 300 milliliters of CO2. So then the CO2 expanded, the balloon pushed the car down, it hit the dominoes, then hit the LED lighting, which fell into the water, and the salt water reacts and conducts electricity with the LED lighting. So when the LED lighting fell into the water, it reacted and the red light lit up.
Thank you.